Start your installation following standard installation practices by removing the grass and dirt and installing your subbase. Compact your subbase along the edge approximately 1/2 inch below the surface. Connect multiple pieces of the turf edge by using the provided flexible coupler piece into the channels of the backside of each turf edge. Secure each piece of the turf edge by driving your artificial grass nails through the bottom flange of the turf edge into the compacted subbase below. Apply your finish grade to the subbase, ensuring that the top of the base is flush with the top of the turf edge. Compact your subbase for a tight compaction against the turf edge. Place your artificial grass over the compacted subbase and cut the turf to the bottom of the turf edge profile. The turf needs to cover the entire profile of the turf edge. With a 3/4 inch lath screw, secure the turf to the profile of the turf edge every few inches. Spread your infill throughout the entire lawn and brush it evenly into the turf. With electric shears, trim the blades of the artificial grass along the edge to create a cut, trimmed, manicured look. Using scissors, clean up any unwanted loose blades. Every synthetic grass installation featuring the turf edge stands out as the most realistic and authentic comparison to natural grass. The turf edge gives each synthetic lawn the appearance of a taller and thicker lawn previously unseen from any artificial grass installation. The turf edge can be installed with any model of artificial grass by any manufacturer. Contact us today to learn how you can start installing the turf edge for your installations.